Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is my morning cleaning routine, so it's packed with morning cleaning motivation to help you get your morning started in the best possible way. No 2 days are the same in this house, so every morning it's completely different depending on what I need to get done for the day. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing I wanted to do was make my bed and just empty out the bedroom of any cups and glasses so I can crack on with the washing up and get that all done. I do tend to forget to empty the rooms of washing up, which is an absolute nightmare. So I made sure to go around the house and empty each room so I could just do all the washing up in one go. And as you can see, the kitchen was such a mess on this day. So I really wanted to start off in the kitchen and just get it nice and clean, ready for the day. So once I had everything put away and I'd sorted out all the rubbish and everything, I then just needed to go in and do the washing up from the night before, because honestly I was just being lazy and I couldn't be bothered to do it before bed, so I waited until the morning. But I love to have a nice clean kitchen in the morning, so it is normally the first thing that I do, washing up and just cleaning the kitchen. I just feel like a whole weight has been lifted when the kitchen's clean, and it really sets me up for the day.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel.
So once that's done, I just need to put away the few bits that are left on the side, just get everything put back where it belongs so I can go in and give it a good wipe over. I'm not doing a deep clean or anything this morning, as this is my morning routine. I don't give it a deep clean every morning, but I do go in and wipe down the sides just so I know that it is all disinfected, so whenever we do food or anything I know that the sides are clean. But first I'm just going to go ahead and fill my water bottle up, because I'm still trying to finish one of these a day. Haven't managed to do it yet, but hopefully I can just get there eventually with a bit more practice. But I'm just going to go in with my flash spray and spray everything down and give it a good wipe over.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
So once that was all done, I'm just going to head through into the front room. As you can see, it's an absolute mess. I did decide on this day to just let the washing up air dry so I can go back to it a bit later, but I really wanted to get this room done so people can actually sit down, because as you can see, it's just a complete state. So I'm just going to whiz around putting everything back where it belongs. And Cinnabon does have a tunnel in the middle of the front room that we built him. We like to just build him random things in the evening, but he's really enjoying it, so I don't have the heart to take it down today, so I am just going to pull it out the way so I can do the hoovering and then put it back for him afterwards. The same with the paper. I was making a vision board the night before and he just fell in love with all of the paper, so I decided to keep a few bits for him. Again, I didn't have the heart to throw it all away. He's definitely a spoilt bunny, but I wouldn't have it any other way. It's definitely worth it. So I'm just going to clean around things and move the tunnel out the way so I can just get everything back where it belongs, so I can go in and give it a good dust and a hoover and just get it more calm and fresh, because at the moment this front room is just too hectic.
My breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
So once everything's tidied up, I'm going in with my pledge. I love the smell of this and I just feel really cozy when I use this. So I'm just going to go in and give everything a dust over. I also bought some more oil burners from B&M in the zesty orange. As you know, if you've been here before, orange is my favourite scent in the house. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to top my oil burner up so the whole room can smell of zesty oranges and pledge, which it's just a great combination. It just makes the whole room feel so homely and cozy, and I just love it.
We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
So once I had downstairs all put together, fresh and ready for the day, it was time to sort out the laundry room. As you can see, I've got a fair bit of ironing to do, and ironing always takes me so long. So I really wanted to get it out the way first thing in the morning instead of just putting it off throughout the day, because I am very good at procrastinating instead of just getting a task done. So I'm just going to go in and put these few bits away that's on the clothes horse, and then get ironing and get this laundry room back ready for the next wash load.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune to out, to do out. Ooh, I love it. turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better.
So I'm actually just wondering if I'm the only one that has a morning cleaning routine. Does everyone else do their homes before they go to bed, so you wake up to a nice fresh clean home? Or do you, like me, just get out of bed and then do a load of cleaning? I don't know if I'm a little bit strange for having a morning cleaning routine, but it just sets me up for the rest of the day and it allows me to be lazy in the evening, so I don't mind it at all. But let me know down in the comments if you have a morning cleaning routine as well.
On a higher level, turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found loads of motivation. If you did, then don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. I do post every Monday through to Friday, so there is tons of motivation, decluttering and organisation here on my channel, and I would love for you to be a part of it by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.